Hey guys, my name is Daniel Zuniga and I'm part of Challenge 2014. This is my third video today and here are my friends again. We're all putting in work. Yes, they're all very attentive. Whoa, shit. That was thug. Alright, so the last problem is the limit as x approaches to 0 of tangent x sine 3x over x squared. And so the approach here is, I was always taught, when in doubt, change to sine and cosine. So my first step right here is to change that tangent to sine over cosine because that's the definition. And then you keep the rest the same. And now from there, everything's going to be working towards building on this formula right here. The limit as x approaches to 0 of sine ax over ax is 1. So as long as the number inside the sine parentheses is the same as the number on the bottom, it's going to be 1. And that's our limit also, limit as x approaches to 0. So we're just assuming we keep that limit right here, limit as x approaches to 0. And then we have sine over cosine, and then sine 3x cos, and x squared. I'm not going to do these cosines. So what I did with these cosines right here, these two right here, is I wanted to take out that denominator of cosine that I got from doing the tangent. So I just multiplied the top and the bottom by 1. Cosine x over cosine x is 1. So then this cancels with this, and then the cosine x stays on the bottom. So that's what I have over here. So I have sine x, and then sine 3x, and then x, I had x squared as you saw right here, cosine x times x squared. But I broke that up into x and x cosine x. For the reason that you'll see right here, it's the same formula up here, magical formula, limit as x approaches to 0 of sine ax over ax is 1. So we have sine 1x, and then 1x, so that goes to 1. So that's what I have here. 1 times sine 3x over x cosine x. And now we're going for that formula again. You see that there's a 3x in here. So you're trying to get a 3x down here, so I multiply by a 1, but making it 3 over 3, so that I can then cancel these out. So what you're left with down here is, if you rearrange some stuff, right here, I'm not sure if you guys can picture in your minds, but sine 3x, and then you move the 3 over, multiplied by x, so it's 3x right here, and then I put the 3 over cosine x by itself, so you guys can clearly see this formula right here going to work. So this goes to 1, and that's what I symbolize with the arrow. The limit of x approaches to 0 goes to 1, and then you take that out just as you had with the one before. That's what these arrows symbolize. Constants can just go out, and anything times 1 is itself, so I just kind of ignore them after that because we're multiplying by 1, so it doesn't make a difference. And now you have limit of x approaches to 0 of 3 over cosine x, and that is much more manageable than the first part. So whereas you couldn't plug in the 0 here because 0 squared is 0 on the bottom, and you get a 0 in the denominator, you can plug it in here because the cosine of 0 is 1. So now you have 3 over cosine 0, and that's 3 over 1, which is 3. So using this formula to guide you, you worked your way from tangent all the way to sines, and got to 3. Alright, that marks the last video for today. Deuces from everybody downstairs.